What's up, guys? Thank you for stopping back by the channel. Hey, today we got a little something different for you. This red Rubicon back here behind me, we're gonna get it all washed up, and then my friend is gonna tell you what he likes, what he don't like about being a Jeep owner. So with all that being said, we appreciate you stopping by. Thanks to all of our new subscribers and our continued subscribers that have been with us from the beginning. Hey, we appreciate it. So if you like this content today, hey, hit that subscribe button for us. It really helps out the channel. So, with all that being said, let's get busy on this wash.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good.
Things I like about this Jeep is the appearance, first of all. Especially after I got it jacked up a little bit, put bigger wheels on it. Really looks a whole lot better. The red just pops. I don't know why dealerships say red. They're not as worth as much, but I think the red pops. On a scale 1 to 10, as far as this appearance goes, I'd give it a 9.5. Performance-wise, compared to the older models, it's no comparison. The V6 motor does very well. The ride is good. A little rougher since we put the lift kit on it, but overall it's a good ride. It's pretty quiet on the inside. Some of the things I don't like about the Jeep is the lightings on it. I'd prefer to have all LED lights on it, front and back. I've had a few problems out of the Jeep. It's got a little over 80,000 miles on it now. I've had to replace the fuel injectors on it. Not sure if that was just faulty or if I got a hold of some bad gas. I'm leaning towards bad gas because it happened all of a sudden after a fill up. Had to replace the radiator on it. I think just the vibration on the radiator where part of it's plastic, I think it just vibrated a crack in it. Very small crack, took a while for it to leak down, but replaced it anyway. I prefer the 4-door over a 2-door. Gives you more room. I prefer a hard top over a soft top. I've had an older model Jeep, a 95 model, and it was a decent Jeep, but it's no comparison to this Jeep. This is like a Cadillac compared to the older model Jeeps. I use the Jeep as an everyday driver. It's got plenty of power, plenty enough to get out and pass somebody. It's not a race car, but you know, you can pass people no problem. The fuel economy is not that great, but you know, when you put a lift kit on one, you're gonna lose several miles to the gallon. But I'll tell you guys, one of the worst things about it is where it's just so straight and flat, it catches every bug going down the road. And bugs are hard to get off your vehicle, especially off your windshield. It's hard to see out all them bugs there, but you know, we make do.
All right, guys, that's just about going to do it for this particular video on the Jeep Wrangler 2015 Rubicon edition. All in all, you'd say it's a pretty good vehicle, right?
Yeah, I do.
And pretty reliable, nice off-road vehicle. Not always great on the gas mileage, but it's a Jeep, and that's not what you buy it for in the first place. So anyway, guys, we hope that you liked this content of this video. If you did, give it a little bit of a like, and give us a subscribe. And hit that notification bell while you're at it, and keep you up to date on all our new content. We got some more mods coming for this particular Jeep down the line, so with all that being said, we're going to get out of here. See you on the next one. Is it in focus now? You got the record going? You sure about that? Oh, we got a big truck coming, so hold on.
Watch that thing.
All right, guys, I think that's just about going to do it for this particular video. This has been the 2015 Jeep. Oh, all right. Problems out of it since he's had it. Are you ready?
I stayed recording.
Yeah, I know. That's fine. Jeep Rubicon 2015 edition. This is the Trail Boss. It's fully loaded. I think it's Trail Boss.
No, it ain't. Trail rated. It's a Jeep Rubicon, what you need to say.
Wrangler Unlimited.
Yeah, it's the Rubicon edition. That's all you need to say. Rubicon.
All right, guys, that's just about going to do it for this particular video on the Jeep